The KarGo Advantage. Wouldn't it be nice if the same driver could do the same delivery every time? We realize as you scale, that's almost impossible. I've been on over 100 Uber rides in the Minneapolis-St. Paul area, and I never got the same driver twice. Which is why at KarGo, we create detailed maps showing our drivers what they need to do according to our clients' protocols. So if we've been there once, we never make the same mistake twice. Here's an example. John is a new driver. In fact, it's his first day. He's kind of scared, he's going to make a lot of mistakes and have no idea what to do. But it's a great thing he works for KarGo, because even though John has never been to the 900 locations that we go to, the other drivers have. Most couriers have John call dispatch, and since dispatch has never been there, they will look up to see who's been there and call that courier for instructions, then relay the information to John. But at KarGo, we know that's not only ineffective, but time-consuming, which is why drivers are trained to draw maps and handwrite instructions on how to get to an exact drop, so the next driver goes there will know what to do and how to get to that suite without any mistakes. Thank you for watching the KarGo Advantage, where we under-promise and over-deliver.